1, 1, right? GARCH 1, 1. And here you get the result, okay? You get the coefficient. These two parameter are the parameter for the conditional mean equation. This 3 is for the GARCH 1, 1, okay? Alpha 0 is a constant of the sigma t square, okay? The alpha 1, the coefficient for the residual square. The beta 1 is a coefficient of the conditional variance, sigma t minus 1 square, right? This is a, and in the conditional mean equation, it shows the coefficient for the yt minus 1 as well as a constant, okay? This is a AR GARCH. Okay, some students ask, we construct ARM model to predict the mean, okay? But why our subfield assignment just ask you to construct AR GARCH? Because the PCGIF itself can't provide the estimation of the ARM GARCH. It can only conduct the AR GARCH, okay? The PCGIF can only conduct the AR GARCH. In fact, OPS matrix has a package named GARCH. The GARCH package can conduct the ARM GARCH, but for the PCGIF package, it only can conduct AR GARCH. So that's the reason why some people assignment only ask you to construct AR GARCH, right? So I have shown you how can we construct AR GARCH. And also the final question is about the prediction, and also it asks for the asymmetric GARCH. Okay, asymmetric GARCH just refers to two models, eGARCH and GJR GARCH. Okay, for the eGARCH, it's quite straightforward. eGARCH is quite straightforward. You can just tick the box of eGARCH. For the GJR GARCH, you can just tick the box of threshold GARCH. Okay, GJR GARCH in PCGIF is threshold GARCH. Okay, so you can get the result of GJR GARCH. And final step asks you to make prediction. Okay, asks you to make prediction. You can use this estimation function to construct the in-sample estimation period. Okay. For example, if you just want to focus final 14 observations here, the last focus should input 14, right? And then you can use the test function focus to make prediction, okay? In this case, we want to focus the final 14 observations, so you input 14, okay? And for the options, if you tick the final box write result instead of graphing, it shows the value of conditional variance and conditional mean, okay? If you do not tick this box, it will show graph, okay? If you want to get the value of the conditional variance, tick this box, it shows the conditional variance, okay? And focus value, okay? If you want to get a graph, do not tick the final box, and you will get a graph, okay? This is how can we conduct estimation. Okay, some students also ask which model is better, okay? If you conduct the GARCH 1.1, for example, AR1 GARCH 1.1, AR GARCH model, and asymmetric GARCH, for example, eGARCH or GJR GARCH, whether the GARCH 1.1 is better or GJR is better, how can you identify which model is better? Or if you want to make comparison between eGARCH and GJR GARCH, which one is better? In fact, after the estimation, you can make comparison between your estimated value as well and actual value, okay? There's some indicators. These 4 indicators can help you identify which model is better, okay? Check the equation of these 4 indicators, okay? The lower the indicator, the better the model, okay? In other words, lower the focus arrow, better the model, okay? Lower the focus arrow, better the model, okay? This is all about this time series analysis, all about this module, okay? Any questions? Any questions? In fact, if you have questions, you can send me mail. But I think a better way is ask question on the discussion board. I have set up a discussion board. If you ask question on discussion board, other students can also check. Okay, other students can also check.
Can't you just like put the questions that you get asked as an email? Can't you just put them on a discussion board and answer there?
You can just put it on discussion board.
No, for example, somebody receiving
Okay.
Can you just
If you think the question is standard, I will post it on the discussion board, right? And also, I should emphasize, pay attention on plagiarism. Last year, I heard from my colleague that, in fact, last year, we just sent students random 3-time series. So different students have different time series, but there's still some students commit plagiarism. But this year, you have the same data, okay? You have same data. So please make sure don't use other people's graph, the results, okay? Explain the result in your own way, right? Pay attention on plagiarism, it's important, right? Okay, thank you.